Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends of Rapa Nui, I regret not being with you today for this meeting, which to my mind is as important as it is worthwhile. Climate change is a key challenge of this century. This change is already affecting entire regions and sectors of the globe. It is modifying the world's equilibrium, disrupting our ecosystems, affecting biodiversity, prompting recurrent disasters, and threatening our lifestyles. Despite the vital progress made over the last 20 years, despite the increasing number of initiatives, despite the hope raised in 2015 at COP21 with the adoption of the Paris Agreement, the outlook nonetheless remains bleak. This is why it is essential to strengthen mobilization at every level, not only in terms of preventing and mitigating climate change, but also in terms of adapting to its consequences, some of which are already inevitable. Such mobilization, of course, concerns states who more than ever before need to deploy all the tools they have available, as we strive to do in Monaco and as Chile has committed to do. I've noted this with active interest when I came here in 2015. Mobilization must also come from private players, companies, NGOs, and I know that many of them in Chile are exemplary, some of which are loyal and important partners of my foundation. It might also come from local political institutions, such as here, which have a special role to play, both because of their knowledge of the specific problems faced by each region and because of their ability to implement tailored and efficient solutions. For a long time, such mobilization was lacking for obvious reasons. Political tempo is not the tempo of the climate, which is governed by extremely long-term mechanisms and for which the consequences of our actions are still difficult to see. For many years, the dangers of climate change was abstract and distant. However, I believe that we have now entered in a new era, an era sadly marked by urgency, by reality. Today, we can see the consequences of climate change. We witness an increasing number of extreme events, droughts, and floods. We are measuring the impact of carbon pollution on human health, with more than 7 million deaths every year, over twice as many of the deaths caused by HIV, malaria, or tuberculosis. And we know that by 2050, close to half of the planet will be subjected to extreme droughts and temperatures higher than ever before recorded so far. It is vital to address these issues together, as you are doing today. That is why it is urgent to intensify and coordinate the areas of action, as your discussions will enable us to do. That is why I was keen to send you this message of support and encouragement. Our planet is counting on you. Thank you very much. Maururu.